One thing is super clear about audience retention: YouTube just loves it. And I want to talk about with you today what the single most important thing is that you can do in order to increase your audience retention. I had a look at my own videos, and here, for example, if we look at the audience retention graph for this video, you can oftentimes see that in the beginning, the audience retention goes down. So in this case, for example, after 1 minute of watching this video, only 50% of my audience is still remaining. So half of all people aborted watching this video quite right in the beginning. So I didn't really do a great job at keeping my audience watching my video. But if you compare it to another video of mine, for example, this one, here you can see the audience drop is in the beginning here as well. It's quite natural, but still a lot of people are still watching it. So after 1 minute, I'm still at 70% of my whole audience is still watching the video. So I did something right, obviously. And that has, by the way, also impact on the rest of the video. As you can see here, the graph is quite flat. So still after 3.5 minutes, over 50% of my audience is still watching this video. So what you do in the beginning actually has impact on the whole video. But the big question is, what did I do right in this particular video that I didn't do right in the other one, where I lost half of my audience in the first minute of the video? Well, for the good example, let's roll the first few seconds of it. YouTube is basically a huge pile of videos. A viewer can get really lost in watching them. Oh look, there is your next upload. Now, how does a viewer find your video to watch it? Seeing those first few seconds of the video makes you curious about what is coming next in that video, right? That is what I want to talk about today, the hook of the video, which makes a huge difference for the audience retention on your videos. To give you an even better example than the one from my own video, I want to show you Lila's video today. Here is her thumbnail. It is a tutorial about how to make a teleportation effect happen in your editing. And by the way, the thumbnail is super great. Can you see, like, her hair is up in the air? That is the tiny details that makes the difference. Really great. But you'll see, the first few seconds of that video really makes the difference for the whole tutorial. Don't give a cat the ability to teleport a human. It's just great, right? With just seeing those few first seconds, you're curious about how the tutorial will be, right? You just saw this great effect, how it looks, and now you're curious about finding out how to edit that. So that is the power of a hook. You make the viewer curious about what comes next in your video. And that ultimately influences how long those people keep watching your video. So do you have any idea how you could integrate such powerful hooks into your videos? Let me know in the comments. And by the way, here is Lila's video in case you want to check it out. And I want to showcase the talent of more YouTubers. So the next episode will once again be a showcase like this one. When it's out, it's already here. And if not, ring the bell so you don't miss the next episode of the series. Cheers, my friends!